What's up? What's happening? Hello. Today I'm going to answer a very common question that people ask when they're starting JavaScript, and that is, which comparison operator should you use when comparing values? Double equal sign or triple equal sign? Let's get started. So the best way to show this is by doing an example. As we can see here, we have num and num2, and they're the same type. What will happen if we console log this by using double equal sign? Let's refresh, and what you get is true. Now let's do the same thing, but use triple sign. It is true as well. Alright, so then what will happen if we compare different types? Because this is a string right here, and this is a number, right? So this is true as well. Now, what if we do a triple equal sign? Refresh, boom, it's false. And why is it false? Well, because the types are different. So that's one of the main differences, is the double equal sign actually does the conversion of the types. And you can watch my previous videos where I talk about different implicit, explicit conversion methods. But basically the double equal sign just converts the types and compares it on the value, which can have very significant side effects, especially when you're coding. So that is the reason why you should always use triple sign, because it will actually compare the type as well. I would say even forget this exists. In JavaScript, always use triple sign. Now you might be asking, what about not equal and not double equal? Well, same thing. They're like brother and sister. Always use not equal equal. Because if we use this previous example, if we do, let's see, str not equal to number, we refresh, false. So what this says is this string 1 is not equal to this, and it says no, it's false, it equals to it. That's bad. It's supposed to say true, right? Because they're not equal, they're different types. But if you use this operator, not equal equal, it will return true, because technically this does not equal this. The string 1 does not equal the number 1. That is true, but this will return false. So just remember, always use triple equal and not equal equal when comparing different variables together.